Welcome to Lesson 3 for Algebraic Techniques for Stage 5.2. In this lesson we want to apply the four operations to simple algebraic fractions, focusing on multiplying and dividing. To begin with, we need to do these revision questions. So you might like to pause the video now and try to work out these problems. The answers are over here, so you can actually check your work here. We want to see working in your workbooks. So for a over 2 plus a over 3, this question, we need to get 6 on the bottom of our fraction. So to do that, we times a by 3 and 2 by 3, which gives us 3 over 6, plus these ones get times by 2 over 2, so it's 2a over 6. And then this step, we add the numerators because we have the same denominator. So 3a plus 2a is 5a over 6. Part B, same kind of thing. 3 times 2x is 6x. 5 times x is 5x. And it's takeaway because we have takeaway. 6x minus 5x is x. And 15 is on the bottom, and we can't simplify this one. You should always try to see if you can simplify these. So when we have add and subtract, the process is similar. When we multiply fractions, we multiply the top numbers and the bottom numbers. So 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 5 is 15, so we get 8 over 15. So multiplying is a different process. And the last revision question, if we have x squared times x cubed, we add the indices. 2 plus 3 is 5, so that should say 5. And for part D, when we have x squared times x cubed, we add the indices. So we have 2 plus 3, which gives us x to the power of 5. So you need to be able to do all these four questions today for this work. So now the examples for today, which should be copied into your notes book, are these ones. So 5x over 6 times 3x over 4. When we multiply fractions, we times the top parts. So 5x times 3x, which we can write as 5 times 3 times x times x. So that becomes 15x squared. On the bottom part of our fraction, we have 6 times 4, which is 24. The last step is to simplify the fractions. So we look for a number that goes into 15 and 24. So 3 does. So if you look over here, 15 divided by 3 is 5. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So for here, 15x squared over 24, we get 5x squared over 8. And then the second example, part B, 3x over 4. So on the top, multiply the numbers first, so 3 and 2. 3 times 2, and then we've got x times x, which gives us 6x squared. On the bottom, we have 4 times 9, which is 36. And then we have 6x squared over 36. We need to simplify from here. So divide the top and the bottom by 6, which gives us 1x squared over 6. which is x squared over 6. So the questions for the first video are here, and I've covered up the answers, so you might like to pause the video, do the questions, and then check. So the answers to the first 3 are there.